Hey guys, today I will be opening a Meowth Persian Evolution Pack. Alright, we've got the sample pack, Venusaur booster pack, we got Meowth Bomo, and you've got Persian Hollow. Very nice. Here's the sample pack. I'm going to keep it sealed. I'm going to open up this Venusaur pack. Code card 1, 2, 3. Sharon, Electric, Oldemir Aerodactyl, Joltik, Pawniard, Zoroark, Drillbur, Dwebble, Klangavish, and the rare is a Slowking. Alright guys, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.